Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good internship opportunity that has been posted by Microsoft, and it is for the research intern, and you will be getting many things. Like in this video I will be explaining about the role, responsibilities and the qualifications and the different eligibility criteria that are important whenever you are going to apply for any internship. Like in the Microsoft लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी अगर आपको इसमें इंटर्नशिप मिल जाती है, सैलरी मिलती है, पैसे मिलते हैं, आपको ऐसे स्टाइपेंड मिलते हैं जो किसी सैलरी कोई कंपनी नहीं देती है. ठीक है, नॉर्मल कंपनीज इतनी सैलरी नहीं देती हैं. सो इट विल बी वेरी मच बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग प्लेस इन दिस. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस बिकॉज आई हैव मेड दिस मिस्टेक कि मैंने कभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का इंटर्नशिप भरा ही नहीं, बिकॉज मैं ये सोचता था कि यार शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग ही नहीं होगी, क्या भरें, क्या हो भर भर के क्या करें, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग ही होगी. आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड यार कि वो लोग ना ये चीज़ ना बहुत लोग करते हैं, ट्राई ही नहीं करते हैं. तो ये चीज़ नहीं करनी है हमें ट्राई आउट करना है, चीज़ों को देखना है कि कैसे क्या होता है, सारी चीज़ें चेकआउट करनी है. अप्लाई करोगे तभी ना ट्राई होगा, अप्लाई करोगे, प्रिपरेशन करोगे, इंटरव्यू दोगे, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगी, रेज्यूमे उस तरह के बिल्ड करोगे, फिर तभी ना आगे बढ़ोगे. तो ये चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, so let's start with the video. Let's see what is the process. Before that, if you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button, go down and subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so you never miss an update. I have also made a vlog channel. You will go down in the description, you will find a vlog channel. In that you can subscribe it, you can see those videos that are my vlog channel. I have been posting many vlogs there also. So let's start with the video. Let's see what is the process and how to apply. So as I've came to my careers section of the Microsoft, you will get this link in the description. Don't need to worry about that thing. This is the basic job role, that is research intern. This is the only job role that you will be getting, the internship role that you will be getting. When you will scroll down, what will be the profession? Research. It is in the research basically. And what you need to do, you will scroll down, you will see the responsibilities. You can see here during the internship students are paired with mentors. You will be working with the experienced people, and that knowledge you will be getting, that experience you will be getting from them, the things you will be getting to learn, that will be valuable for sure. And when you will scroll down, there will be a qualification section. You can read out this, that candidates must be enrolled, you must be enrolled in any doctorate course, master's course or undergraduate program, that is UG, PG or doctorate. Anyone is eligible if you are doing this course right now, or you, like if you are in your first year, second year, you can apply for us for sure. Then you can also read out this in the description, like this link will be in the description. So you will find these things like from here to here, it is given in very elaborative way. You can read out that. And when you will scroll down, here are the benefits and perks that you will be getting. As the company name suggests, Microsoft, you will be getting the best things, best industry leading healthcare. You will be getting industry leading healthcare, then giving programs will be there, discounts on products and services, opportunity to network and connect, because the Microsoft company is very big. It is a Fortune 500 company, flying company, and you will be getting many things to learn from this company, from the colleagues, from the mentors, from the different people. So it will be beneficial for you. So just keep applying for these kind of internship, keep applying for these kind of job roles. Then what is the application process? When you will click on this apply now button, you will be redirected to a page. Suppose you have not logged in yet, if you have not logged in yet, you have to log in first with the Microsoft account or a LinkedIn account or the Google account. I have been logged in with the Google account only. So this is the job role. Here you have to apply with LinkedIn. You can apply, you can also apply with LinkedIn, as if you have maintained your profile of LinkedIn, you can apply from that also. But I will say one thing, that if you haven't made your profile good, just go to the description, you'll find a video, like I have made a different playlist, separate playlist for LinkedIn also, and many videos are coming for the LinkedIn, for the different what we say, resume building. In the same career guidance section, in the playlist section, you will get everything. Don't need to worry about that thing. Just keep watching that, because the mistakes I have done, I have explained everything, like what mistakes I have done in my life. So I have explained that you don't need to do those mistakes and don't need to waste that time. I have wasted my time, so it is my responsibility to tell you that don't waste do these things, it will waste your time. So just upload this and update all this information. It is simple informations are there, and just click on the submit, continue with the application, and then further process will be held. So this was all about the application process of Microsoft intern, research intern. So in this video we have talked about everything about the research intern, how to apply, what is the process of application, and the main part that I have also talked about कि ऐसे नहीं सोचना है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में तो अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. अप्लाई करो, बहुत लोग सेलेक्ट होते हैं. अगर आपके पास वो एबिलिटी है, अगर मेरे पास नहीं एबिलिटी, आपके पास एबिलिटी है, तो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर श्योर, यू कैन गेट सेलेक्टेड. सो ये आपको बेनिफिट भी होगा, बिकॉज आप ऐसे इंटर्नशिप्स में बैठोगे, ऐसे इंटर्नशिप्स करोगे तो आपको एक पता चलेगा इंडस्ट्री का. सो इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topics, some more videos like this. Like these kind of videos will be coming frequently. Don't need to worry about that, and just keep subscribing this. Subscribe this, press the bell icon so you never miss an update, and like this video, and go in the description, file a video. A proper vlog channel has been made on these vlogs also. Like I have been posting many vlogs on the YouTube, so you can find my channel of the vlog, so it will be beneficial for you. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video, some more informative topics. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.